Good morning students, here is Jitendra Kumar, your mathematics teacher. In previous video we have completed exercise 2.5. In this video we are going to start with exercise 2.6. Before starting exercise 2.6, we just revise how we divide. What is in 2.6? That is the division of numbers. Which kind of numbers? Decimal numbers. Our topic is division of decimal numbers. Division of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers. How we divide division of decimal numbers? How we divide a number like this 65.32 and we divide it by 10. In divide, decimal goes towards left. In divide, decimal goes towards left. Here decimal, here how many zeros? 1 0. So decimal goes one digit towards left. That is 6.532 is your answer. Okay. I write one more digit here. 128.532 and divide it by 100. How many zeros are here? 2. So your decimal goes to 2 digit towards left. And what answer comes? 1.28532. We do like this directly. Next, I write one more example. 63.52 divided by 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4. So your decimal, how many digit goes towards left? 4 digit. After this, so what your answer comes? 2 5 and 3 6, 2 digits, then 3 and 4, then you put up the decimal. So what is your answer? 0.006352 is your answer. I hope you understand it well. Okay, next some important divider we are going to discuss. So after then we start exercise 2.6. How we divide? Beta, if any other number is given, here we discussed right now the examples of division by 10, division by 100, division by 1000. But if division by another number comes like this 1.28 and we divide it by 4, then how we divide? Without decimal you simply divide, beta, like this. 128 divided by 4. 4 3 are 12. 0, then 8 4 2 ja 8. Directly divide like this, and what is your answer? 32. In question, in dividend, see that you how many digits after just this decimal, beta? 2 digits are after this decimal. So here also 2 digits after we put up the point 1 2, and here we put up the point. This one is your answer comes. Okay, I hope you understand well. Next, one more case I will tell you about the division when both divisor and dividend, in both the cases, if divide symbol decimal is comes, then how we divide? Like this, beta, I write here, means in your dividend or divisor, in both the cases there is decimal comes 25.6 divided by 1.6. Then how we divide? See here, beta, we write here 256 and here I write 16. Here is decimal and here is decimal. To remove this decimal from numerator, listen this line very carefully. Remove this point from numerator, we put up 1 in denominator. And just after point there is one decimal, so we write here, one digit just after decimal 10. And in denominator we put, remove this decimal, we put numerator 1 in numerator, because we remove the decimal in denominator. And just after this decimal, how many digit? 1, so we put up here 10. Then 10 cancel by 10, and simply you divide 256 by 16. 16 1 ja 16. Then how much left, beta? Subtract, take carry from here 9 6. 16 6 ja 96. So what your answer comes? 16 is your answer. I hope you understand well. Okay. Next, let us take one more example to better understand how we divide. I take here 0.7 divided by 0.7 divided by 0.35. Then what answer comes? So 0.7 beta and divided by 0.35. If you learn how we divide in decimal numbers, then it is very easy beta to solve exercise 2.6. So it is necessary to understand how we divide decimal numbers. To remove the decimal from numerator, what we do? We put denominator 1 in denominator 1, and thereafter decimal how many digit 1. So we put up here 10. If we remove the decimal from denominator, then we put up 1 in numerator, and there are 2 digits just after decimal. So we put here 2 zeros. Okay. Then 0 cancel by 0. Then what is in numerator? 7 into 10, and in denominator 35. 7 10s are 70. Divide by 35. Divide 70 divided by 35. 35 to the 70. So what your answer comes from here? 2. Okay. I hope you understand well the division of decimal numbers. Let's start exercise 2.6 beta. Without wasting our time, we are directly go with exercise 2.6. In 2.6 exercise, first question is also division. All the questions of division beta in this exercise you know very well. First question, find here all the parts of division. I saw here 8 part, that is 651.2 divided by 4. Just without decimal you divide with us. 651.2 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Subtract 2, 25. 4 6s are 24. Subtract 1, then 1. 4 2s are 8. Then subtract 3, 2. 4 8s are 32. Completely divide. What answer comes? 1628. And in dividend, there is decimal. After decimal, how many digits? Only 1. So we put up here just before 1 digit 1, we put up here decimal beta. This one is your answer. So I hope you will solve first question. Remaining parts you will solve by yourself beta. And second question, third question, and fourth question. All questions are very easy. So I solve only one part from all these questions because I already told you about these such kind of examples. In second question, I will solve here fourth part. In fourth part, 8.11 divided by 10. You know very well, when we divide, our decimal goes towards left. Here is 1 digit, so decimal goes 1 digit towards left. So what answer comes? 118, and here decimal comes 1 digit towards left. I hope you understand well beta. Next question, question number 3. In question number 3 there are, I will solve again here beta, third part. Remaining part you will solve by yourself. 0.29 divided by 100. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So your decimal goes towards 2 digit towards left. Okay. So what is your answer? 9200. 2 digits from here. 1 2 means 2 zeros we write here. 1 2 and then we put up the decimal. So what is our answer? 0.0029. Next question number 4. In question number 4 beta, I solve here one part only, and that is the first part. 3.2 divided by 100. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So your decimal goes towards left. How many digits? 3 digits. So what is your answer? 1 digit is 3, then 2 zeros we put up. So what is your answer? 0.0032. So 1 to 4 question you will solve. I told here one part from each of the questions. Next question number 5 beta. In question number 5, to examples I already solved when I taught you about the how we divided decimal numbers. Here I solved only one part. That part is part number 4, because fifth part and sixth part already told by me beta in this video. Question number 5th and part 4th. 31.01 divided by 0.07. Okay, then how you divide? You write 31.01 divided by 0.07. To remove this decimal, we put a 1 in denominator and thereafter 2 digits. So we put a bare 20. To remove the decimal from denominator, we write 1 in numerator beta. And after point or after decimal, how many digits? 2 digits. So we put a pair 20. 0, 100 cancel by 100. It means 3101 divided by 7. You divide it beta. 31017 by 7. 7 4 ja 28, subtract 30. 7 4 ja 28, subtract 2 1. 7 3 ja 21. So what your answer comes? 443 is your answer. Okay. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. In question number 6, two-wheelers covers a distance of 330.75 km in 6 liter of petrol. How much distance weight cover 1 liter of petrol beta? So how you solve? Distance covered in 6.3 liter of petrol and then by 1 liter of petrol. 330.75 divided by 6.3. Listen carefully. 330.75 divided by 6.3, then the distance covered by 1 liter of petrol comes. You will solve it. Next, Kisan built a tower. Question number 7. Out of blocks, each block is 1.75 centimeter tall. He built 43.75 centimeter tower. How many blocks did Kisan use? So total height of tower 43.75, height of one block 1.75. So you will divide 43.75 by 1.75. Then you got your answer. Okay. Same all these questions you will solve by yourself beta. And if you are facing any doubt, then you discuss me doubts in live doubt classes. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.